9:20 a.m. this Wednesday morning, September 17th, 2025. Well, it appears as though I am going to be experiencing a lot of complications with the uploading process with my videos from yesterday. And as you already know, I've already provided one video from today while waiting for this ridiculous process of posting. But I figured, okay, while we wait, why doesn't Morgan go ahead and do a video with an answer to his previous question that was raised in my previous content, such as, or basically referring to symbols in the sky. Go away. Yeah, I now have a bee buzzing around me. Thankfully, only one so far. Waiting for the sun to rise a little higher so I can possibly get a recording of the object next to it, or possibly objects, who knows. Anyways, so I am going to go ahead and show you a possible answer to the question that I brought about my previous content in regards to a symbol in the sky besides the X. It's going to be a rather crude example. Let's do this. Alright, now as stated, this is going to be a little crude here, and I'm using a piece of prop paper from previous content here, of which you might be familiar with and remember, but we're just going to go ahead and flip this over, and like I said, we're just going to go ahead and do this very crude, okay? So, not only do we have this symbol of an X, and many times it will be an X, such as this. But this is the symbol that often I see being sprayed in the sky. And we start off, let's go ahead and we'll start off straight, well, sort of straight line, okay? And please forgive me for this crudeness, okay? But then we're going to go ahead and we'll draw a slanted straight line in connection. Ah, dang it. Once again, quite crude, okay? And well, we'll just kind of ignore this little piece here, okay? And then what we will do is go like that, okay? So basically, it looks as though we have a letter A with a slanted, yeah, okay? We have the letter A, which one side is slightly slanted, okay? But this is how it appears in the sky. More so like this, okay? And again, my straight lines are none too straight. So what is this symbol? Okay, well, if you turn it upside down, an upside down A with a slanted arm, if you will, and you can research this, it can mean logic, to be logical, okay? If we turn it right side up, yes, we have basically a crude symbol of the Freemason compass. Okay? And of course, we put the eye in there, the all-seeing eye, or the eye of perdition. Okay? To see, to understand, to use logical reasoning. Logic. This is also used for anarchy. Because after all, once you actually awaken to the deceptions of the corruptions throughout history, to our knowledge, and the programming that we have been subjected to, into believing this, that, and the other thing. Once you awaken and you realize this type of stuff, then you are using logical reasoning and deductive reasoning. And that is how you come about with real answers. But you have to observe such symbols that take place overhead. And understand the connections to that. Because remember, it's always stories that revolve around the clouds since the dawn of time, or the dawn of written stories. They come from the clouds, right? And we see all this activity overhead, and we see these symbols. I keep showing you people these symbols. Oh yeah, and there's also okay? We'll leave this one alone. These ones are the two, well, all of these are seen throughout my recordings when they are treating the skies. Now then, let's go to one of my theme songs through the link found below in the description, which will take you to Supertramp, the logical song. Oh, don't listen. Read the lyrics, and you will understand possibly just that much more. So I will leave off with that. And again, take care. Have yourselves a great one. And much love to all of you.